Welcome back to RVenture Life. If you're looking for a fifth wheel that puts construction quality, four-season capability, and premium craftsmanship ahead of flashy gimmicks, then you are going to want to see this one all the way through. Today, we're touring a rugged mid-size fifth wheel that was clearly built for travelers who plan to camp in all kinds of conditions. From the custom chassis underneath to the insulated construction throughout, there is a lot to cover, so let's get started. Right up front, the first thing you'll notice is the aggressive front cap design. Sitting underneath is a premium pin box setup that immediately hints at the heavy-duty engineering behind this RV. Unlike many fifth wheels in this size category, this unit rides on a custom chassis designed for durability and rugged travel. It's built with strength in mind and intended to handle more demanding adventures than the average campground-only camper. Moving down below, you'll find a heavy-duty suspension system paired with shocks to improve ride quality and towing stability. Combined with quality tires, this setup is designed to give owners more confidence on long trips and rougher roads. As we continue down the driver's side, you'll notice the solid sidewall construction. This RV was built with four-season camping in mind, and that starts with the structure itself. Dual-pane windows help improve insulation while reducing outside noise, making this coach more comfortable in both hot and cold weather. Opening the pass-through storage compartment, you can immediately see the attention to detail. The storage area features weather-resistant flooring and insulation beneath the floor structure. Heating ducts are routed into this space to help protect stored items during colder temperatures. You'll also find a camping table included along with convenient wiring access points that are neatly organized and easy to reach. Looking at the specifications, this RV offers an impressive cargo carrying capacity while maintaining a GVWR that keeps it within reach of many heavy-duty trucks. Because of its overall weight and construction, a 3/4-ton truck would be a strong towing match for this fifth wheel. Now let's head to the main entry area. The entry door features a large window for natural light, a screen door for ventilation, and a sturdy grab handle that makes getting in and out easier. Stepping inside, the first impression is warmth and comfort. The interior design carries a traditional mountain-inspired feel with rich wood tones throughout. The atmosphere feels cozy, inviting, and built for long stays rather than quick weekend trips. Immediately inside the door is the control panel area. Here you'll find controls for the tanks, water heater, awning, and slide-outs. Everything is positioned conveniently, allowing quick access when setting up camp. Moving into the kitchen, you'll notice the solid cabinet construction right away. The cabinet doors and drawers feel substantial and built to last. Storage is abundant throughout this space. The kitchen includes a microwave, a 3-burner stove, and a decorative backsplash that adds character to the cooking area. Solid surface countertops provide both durability and a premium appearance. The sink area offers plenty of workspace for meal preparation and cleanup. Across from the kitchen is the refrigerator and pantry section. The refrigerator and freezer combination provides ample food storage for extended trips. The pantry includes removable shelving and additional storage drawers, making organization simple and convenient. Looking upward, you'll notice one of the standout design features of this RV, the barrel ceiling. The curved ceiling helps create a more open feel throughout the interior. A large vent fan improves airflow, ceiling-mounted speakers provide entertainment, and ducted air conditioning ensures even temperature distribution throughout the coach. Next, we move into the dining area. The dinette is larger than what you typically find in many mid-size fifth wheels. The bench seating is comfortable and spacious, while under-seat storage provides additional room for gear and supplies. This area is designed to comfortably handle meals, work sessions, or evening relaxation. Across from the dinette are the theater seats. These oversized recliners offer excellent comfort and provide a perfect viewing angle toward the entertainment center. They create a relaxing space for movie nights or simply unwinding after a day of travel. The entertainment center features a large TV positioned directly across from the recliners. Below the television is a fireplace that adds both ambience and supplemental heat. Surrounding storage cabinets provide room for electronics, games, and everyday essentials. As we head toward the upper level, you'll find storage built into the stair area. Beneath the steps is additional storage space, while insulation underneath the slide floor contributes to the RV's overall climate control performance. Entering the bedroom, you'll immediately notice how spacious the room feels. Storage cabinets are positioned throughout the bedroom to maximize organization without sacrificing floor space. The mattress is designed for comfort and provides excellent support for longer stays. Nightstands on both sides of the bed include convenient charging options and storage space. Reading lights allow each person to enjoy their own lighting without disturbing the other. Counter space beside the bed adds functionality that many RV bedrooms lack. The bedroom slide increases overall living space, while a skylight above brings natural light into the room. A large wardrobe provides generous clothing storage for extended travel. Now let's step into the bathroom. The vanity features a solid surface countertop that matches the quality found throughout the RV. Above it is a medicine cabinet that provides additional storage for personal items. Ceiling height in the bathroom is impressive, creating a spacious feel even for taller individuals. The porcelain toilet adds durability and a residential touch. A large vent fan improves airflow and moisture control. The shower offers generous headroom along with a skylight that increases both height and natural light. Beneath the sink, you'll find additional storage for bathroom supplies, while the mirror provides both functionality and convenience. Before heading outside, take one final look around the living area. Additional speakers are positioned throughout the interior, helping distribute sound evenly across the coach. Overall, the interior combines comfort, functionality, and four-season capability in a way that feels purpose-built for serious travelers. Back outside, the fold-up step system provides secure footing while remaining easy to store during travel. At the rear of the RV, you'll find a larger water heater along with a sturdy rear ladder that provides roof access. Climbing onto the roof, the solid construction becomes immediately noticeable. The roof feels extremely sturdy underfoot. Up here you'll find solar panels, dual air conditioning units, and well-sealed roof components. Regular roof inspections remain important, but everything appears designed with long-term durability in mind. At the rear bumper area, an accessory hitch provides a convenient mounting location for approved cargo accessories. The bumper also offers additional storage functionality. Moving to the dump valve area, you'll find dedicated gray tank valves positioned to support four-season use. The plumbing system is designed to help protect critical components from freezing temperatures. Along the side of the RV, the slide-outs utilize durable slide mechanisms along with slide toppers for additional protection. The slide construction itself feels exceptionally solid and contributes significantly to the overall quality impression. One especially impressive feature is the metal protection around the wheel area. In the event of a tire failure, this added protection helps reduce potential damage to the RV structure. The utility center houses water hookups, an outdoor shower, and dump station access. Everything is organized for convenience and ease of maintenance. Returning to the exterior storage side, you'll find the auto-leveling controls and easy access to water lines. Nearby are dual propane tanks ready for extended camping trips. On the passenger side, integrated side cameras improve visibility while towing and enhance overall safety. A quick exterior inspection reveals the same high-quality finish found throughout the coach. The large awning covers most of the outdoor living space, while a protective cover helps shield. This premium four-season fifth wheel is listed right around $80,000. Considering the custom chassis, heavy-duty suspension, insulated construction, dual-pane windows, solar capability, spacious interior, and overall build quality, it's easy to see where that value comes from. That's going to wrap up today's tour here on RVenture Life. Let us know what you think of this rugged four-season fifth wheel, and we'll see you in the next RV adventure.